Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications. Today we are going to discuss about online mock test which had conducted on 15th July 2020 6 pm to 10 pm. Scientific name of Indian sardines: A. Sardinella albella, B. Sardinella melanura, C. Sardinella dei, D. Sardinella longiceps. Here answer is D. Sardinella longiceps. Which is causing salmon poisoning disease? Neorickettsia, B. Clostridium, C. Pseudomonas, D. None of these. Here answer is A. Neorickettsia. Raw salmon contains a fluke called Nanophytus salminicola. These flukes can attach to the dog's intestines and begin feeding on the dog. The fluke is infected with a rickettsial organism known as Neorickettsia helminthica. Which of the following tests used for diagnosis of brucella? Ross Bengal plate test, B. Milk ring test, C. Standard tube agglutination test, D. All of the above. Here answer is D. All of the above. Characteristic tightly curled horns is found in which buffalo breed? Surti, Neeli Ravi, Murrah, Meghsana. Here answer is C. Murrah. Next question. Which of the following is well known for its grey-black colored meat? Leghorn, Kadaknath, Brahma, Asil. Here answer is B. Kadaknath. It is a breed of chicken from Madhya Pradesh. Brahma is a breed from America. Characteristic Roman nose and long ears are found in which breed of goat? A. Jamnapari, B. Sirohi, C. Chegu, D. Barbari. Here answer is A. Jamnapari. Sirohi is a goat, is originated in Sirohi district of Rajasthan. Chegu is from Spiti, Kashmir. Chegu breed of goat produces mohair, angora, pashmina, none of these. Here answer is pashmina, C. Milker's nodules are caused by Paravaccinia virus, B. Rickettsia, C. Herpes virus, D. Orientia susugamushi. Here answer is A. Paravaccinia virus. Orientia susugamushi causes scrub typhus fever in human beings. What is the idea suggested by Bill Gates to get over extreme poverty in Africa? Start pork farming, start chicken farming, start duck farming, none of these. Here answer is B. Start chicken farming. Young female chickens are also called roosters, hens, birds, pullet. Here answer is D. Pullet. Eggshell has a thin outermost coating which helps keep out bacteria, dust and reduces moisture loss from the egg is known as A. Bloom, B. Cuticle, C. Vitelline membrane, D. Both A and B. Here answer is D. Both A and B. World Food Day is celebrated on 7th June, 16th October, 5th June, 22nd May. Here answer is B. 16th October. World Egg Day 2020 is observed on 9th October 2020, 1st January 2020, Second Friday in October each year. Both A and C are correct. Here answer is D. Both A and C are correct. National Institute of Nutrition is situated at Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Faridabad, Lucknow. Here answer is Hyderabad. National Botanical Research Institute is situated at Lucknow. Center for Medicinal and Aromatic Plant is also situated at Lucknow. Central Drug Research Institute is also located at Lucknow. Position of India in egg production in the world. First position, second position, third position, fifth position. Here answer is C. Third position. Bacon is made from dash cut of meat. Pork belly, loin of beef, pork ribs, leg of lamb. Here answer is A. Pork belly. Corned beef is made from ribs, brisket, skirt steak, none of these. Here answer is B. Brisket. The term red apple include A. The rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum, small intestines, large intestines, colon and gizzards. B. Heart, liver, kidney, spleen, tongue, lungs and pancreas. C. The brain, spine, bone marrow, testicles and teats. D. None of these. Here answer is B. Heart, liver, kidney, spleen, tongue, lungs and pancreas. Enzymes play important role in aging of meat. Calpains and lysozyme, protease and cathepsins, calpains and cathepsins, cathepsins and trypsins. Here answer is C. Calpains and cathepsins. The two most often used meat tenderizing enzymes derived from plant sources are calpains and cathepsins, cathepsins and trypsins, protease and cathepsins, papain and bromelain. Here answer is D. Papain and bromelain. In ficin tenderized meat, ficin is obtained from Ficus carica, Ficus religiosa, rubber latex, Ficus bengalensis. Here answer is A. Ficus carica. Green muscle disease affects sheep, cow, poultry, none of these. Here answer is C. Poultry. Deep pectoral myopathy or DPM is a degenerative muscle disease of heavy chickens and turkeys, commonly referred to as green muscle disease. Major pigment responsible for meat color: heme, myoglobin, hemoglobin. Both B and C are correct. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. Myoglobin. Erysipelas, also known as Weil's disease, St. Anthony's fire, listeriosis, Hansen's disease. Here answer is B. St. Anthony's fire. Weil's disease is known as leptospirosis. Hansen's disease is also called leprosy. Ham is made of pork thighs, pork belly, beef leg, beef brisket. Here Answer is A. Pork thighs. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications.